Yes, I know today's Sunday, but I took on a job for the day, guys. I couldn't pass up this easy money. What I'm talking about is I'm going over to my buddy's house. He got an oil leak, a bad oil leak. He want me to do his cooler. I don't know what kind of part he got, but I'm about to find out. That's the van right there. Let's get him together. Let's find out. Oh, what in the world? Oh my goodness, what's the name on this? Aluminum engine of a top 10 racing. Let's see, is this, I thought it was, oh, it's aluminum, but it's not even Derman. Wait a minute. This is not a Derman. Derman, they cloning y'all stuff, man. Look, it feels sturdy. Wow, look at it. It's cute. Oh, it's so aluminy. Okay, all right, what else we got? We got a filter right here. Oh, we got bolts right here. Oh, good. Okay, I need bolts, love bolts. Intake seals, upper and lower. Well, guys, ain't no sense complaining, crying about it. It's not a Derman, all right? I'm kind of happy, but I'm sad at the same. I'd much rather it been a Mopar, all right? OEM Mopar, but you want to go with this one. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, real quick. I'm at my buddy's house. Y'all saw this shorts video. I put it on top of this video. He still got this old car. I'm not able to do this one. I can, however, do this one. Yeah, he got a bad oil leak. Y'all remember the last conversation we had? I forgot a few things, guys, but I'm going to try to get through this without the tools that I need. I got some of the tools. I brought some tools from work. Here's the oil cooler he got me. Again, like I said, we talked about this on the shorts. I can't make out that name because it's a piece of, it's some paper on there, okay? But however, it's all aluminum. All right, so the thinking behind this is that because it's all aluminum, it simply won't crack underneath here. Yes, guys, they house this thing on top of the block, okay, in between the intake manifold and the block. And I admit, guys, it can get a little hot down there. Now, I also admit that the OEM Mopar oil cooler, new construction, a new build, a new revised cooler can withstand that heat, okay? Yeah, I know y'all gonna say it's still plastic at the end of the day. I mean, to each his own. I'm one of those guys that believe that Mopar one, as far as, we talked about this all the time, so I don't want to go regurgitate everything I've already said. Flow rate and all that, I have no idea what this part will do, okay? Now, what turns people on is the mere fact that it's made of aluminum. Look, I even got sensors on here. Now, a lot of people I'm hearing saying, don't use the sensors, use Mopar sensors. Well, the guy didn't get me no Mopar sensors. He got what he got. This is what my customer wants. Damn it, this is what my customer gonna get. I got the new seals on the bottom of here. Everything look fine, guys. I'm not knocking this part. So because I got an oil filter right here, I'm assuming there's no oil filter in here. So I got to take that off and check that. And guys, I'm outside on the ground, as you can see. So y'all know I'm a firm believer in changing oil on these things after this job is done. Simply because there's a chance that I'm going to mix coolant. Some coolant is going to get mixed with the oil when I lift up off that coolant. Oh my goodness, and I forgot my sucker. I do, however, have a portable one. I have a portable sucker, so and some rags just in case it get a little out of hand. It hasn't ran in 2 weeks, so maybe everything has drained back to its back to where it lived. Anyway, I don't want to bore y'all to death. Oh, look at it. It's so freaking cute. Oh, aluminum and everything. Look at the new sensors, and it's, oh, it even got the little chrome top on it and everything. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. But a Mopar would have been better. All right, price difference? I don't know. I don't know what this thing costs. I don't know. This is, he told me aluminum. I'm thinking of Derman. Derman has a way of distinguishing theirs from others by way of an orange cap, is what I'm told. All right, so if you see one that don't have an orange cap, it's obviously a counterfeit, I want to say. No, not. Think about it, guys. Derman don't have the patent on aluminum coolers. Anybody can make one of these. All right. Derman just have a bigger name than whoever the hell this is. I don't know who this is. Okay, y'all keep thinking I'm a Derman hater. No, I'm not a Derman hater. I just rather a Mopar cooler over a Derman cooler. Yeah, so it's to each his own. But my point is, this could be just as good as a Dermany. Let me shut up, man. I got work to do. All right, we're going to start off. Remember when I said get the battery disconnected? Let me get this intake off. Air cooler, airplane. Guys, I'm not going to be here all day, so I'm fairly quick at this. I'm so quick at this. I might not even be able to get y'all no footage. Next time y'all see me, I'll be down there, okay? Y'all know the drill on taking the intake off. I'm not going. This is not a tutorial on how to replace a cooler. This is just merely me filming what I'm doing. How's that? So please don't, hey, you didn't show this, you didn't show that. Y'all go check out Uncle Mark. Y'all want some good tutorial videos, go holler at my man Uncle Mark DIY channel. Oh, that guy get precise. And you need a 916 to take this off right here. Yeah, Uncle Mark real wicked with it. I'm not there. I can't. I'm not cut out for tutorial videos. Okay, so all my videos are merely me doing a job, hoping you can catch on with what I'm doing. I understand some of my audience are DIYers and newcomers, so I apologize, guys. I'm just not cut out for precise tutorial videos. All right, but there are others out there that do, and my man Uncle Mark is one of them. So go check his channel out. In fact, right here, a card gonna be right there to go look at his channel. He got a lot of Mopar stuff over there too. All right, I got work to do. Stay tuned. Oh, alrighty, guys. I'm about to put this bad boy to work. Y'all see it? All right. I got that in down there. I'm gonna pump this. We're gonna go into this because I don't have a bottle. All right. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Look at that. Hey, look at that. Harbor Freight came through for your boy. Oh, I filled it up, guys. Alrighty, guys, y'all see my little Harbor Freight tool in action? Yes, it done its job. It does its job. Now I got to go empty that and pump up a fresh new batch. All right. So, guys, let me finish this oil cooler job. I just wanted to showcase my little Harbor Freight creation. All right, stay tuned for more. Hey, all right, guys. Good news. My man going to the store to get 5 quarts of oil and he don't need an oil filter because I got one with the new cooler. The thinking behind that is, guys, I do not want him to start this car. All that coolant went straight to the oil pan, in some cases straight to the oil pan. Okay, so the minute we crank this car up, all that stuff's going to circulate throughout the lubrication system. Okay, I mean, you could start, it might look like you got a blown head gasket, but you really don't want no form of water you know, running through your oiling system, guys. That's bad. All right, so I convinced him to go. He's gonna change the oil right here, guys. He said he changes oil anyway on his own, so I guess he got a couple of lifts. The oil change is real easy. Draining the oil is real easy because that's all you got to do on this. Remember, the filter is up top. Okay, so I'm gonna load all this stuff up, getting ready to put this. It's not a Derman, guys. Not a Derman. Don't get me wrong. I don't know what it is, but it's not a Derman. All right, so yeah, that's as clean as I can get that. I got some brake clean. I'm brushing it up a little bit more. Okay, normally y'all know me, when I do these, I go straight to the detail department, steam clean my engines. Yeah, I take pride in my work, but I'm outside. Okay, I'm acting as a mobile mechanic. In fact, I feel like a simplified mechanic. Y'all know my dude, the crazy dude on YouTube to do those. He a mobile mechanic. That dude be all over the place, knocking jobs out left and right. My guy, what's up? Shout out, hey, right here, man. That's my dude. All right, check him out. But anyway, he's a mobile mechanic. That's what I feel like right now. I'm not a mobile mechanic. This is a friend of mine. All right, I don't make it a habit of. Y'all want some mobile work? Call that dude simplified mechanic. I don't know what state he in, what country he in, or what. But he one cool dude. All right, guys. Where we at? He going to get the oil, so I plan on being done by the time he get back. I'm not going to start this until he changed the oil. All right, let me get this thing on, lube up there. Remember what I told y'all? No RTV. Stick a little lube. I mean, it could be engine oil as long as you lube this up right here, because this is the part that slides down into here. All right, and you want a clean, nice slide down. You don't want to go in that hole dry. Trust me, that don't feel good. Stop, JT. Today's Sunday. Well, anyway, I'm gonna lube this up, get this on, torque it down the specs. Remember, I think I got some new bolts. Yeah, guys. All right, and I got a new filter. All right, so I got to take that off. I hope I brought my socket this size to get that off. We're gonna make it do what it do. All right, guys, let me finish this up. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, look at it. Ain't she pretty? Look at the little cute little Derman Copycat Derman clone oil cooler. Look at it, guys. All aluminum. Even the damn cap. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, guys, I got it installed. Like I say, it's no more difficult than it is doing any other one, even the plastic one. Guys, let me tell you something. What I noticed taking this out, this is the old one, right? It's leaking a lot of oil. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. I personally put this on, right, the last time. I'm the one that did it, right? So in the midst of taking it off, I'm thinking to myself, who the hell did put this on and then torque these bolts down? No, guys, I'm not reckless like that. When I put these on, I torque them down to specs. But anyway, they came off so freaking easy. No effort at all. Normally, I put my socket on there and jerk it to break it before I put my, before I spin the wheel. Guys, no, I just set the socket on there, barely moved. I just turned it and just started moving. You know what that means? I lost my torqueness. I lost the tightness of this being clamped down to the block, simply because, in my opinion, it's all my opinion, these seals get so crushed, so compressed, to where there's no resistance between the block and the cooler at that point. So in essence, the plastic cooler is touching the freaking block. Right, that block got a potential to get extremely hot. When that happens, yeah, that's when you can easily melt this. So guys, the seals matters, okay? Yes, I don't give a damn if this cooler, this Derman fake ass wannabe cooler is made of aluminum gold. I don't care if it's made of gold. If these seals are not, because think about it, even if this is aluminum, if the seals on this come out like this, or let's say 2 months from now, they slowly compress to the point where they're not sealing anymore, it start leaking, you're gonna dog out whoever the hell this company is, right? That piece of junk, I should have got Derman. No, you shouldn't have got Derman. You should have got Mopar, because Mopar make the better seals. Here's my point. If these seals get compressed to the point where this is touching the block, just like this one, it would eventually warp. Okay, guys, heat attached to, or a heated item or a hot item attached to anything would cause that anything to reform or deform or make it not normal like it used to be. This is aluminum. It may warp. Okay, this is plastic. It may melt. In fact, it will melt. Okay, so the magic or the secret or what you can get out of this is, yeah, this thing, look, I mean, this is so flat to where this had no choice but to ride on the, now one could argue, well, why don't you just, probably if you torqued it down, you would have been all fine. You would have been fine. No, because at that point, all you're doing is compressing this plastic tighter up against the block. It just has to be replaced. And you don't want to chance this. You don't want to take this off, go in with new seals. No, at that point, this is already a gamble. You've gambled with this and you're probably going to lose, and it's not worth it at that point. So yeah, hopefully the seals on this one will stand the test of time. All right. Yeah, because I know I have yet to do or redo a Mopar cooler. The ones that been revised. I know y'all gonna say the one you took off of it was a Mopar, but that wasn't revised, guys. Stop being a clown. All right. Don't do that. Don't show your ignorance. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. You can't argue me taking something off that was put on back in 2011. This engine showed up in 2011. All the coolers on those are not the same as the cooler we putting on now. They've been revised. So stop arguing with me about the one you took off was Mopar. That's when I go into JT. That's when I go into crazy mode and start, yeah, I got to control myself better. But anyway, that's my point. That's all I want to leave you with. These are so flat to the point where this will start touching the block, and these are not tight at all. I promise you guys, I could have did this. If I had forgot my tool, I could have essentially went out there and just did this. That's how loose they was. Yeah, you lose all your torqueness, and I know good and damn well, like I said, I torqued this. Anyway, I'm done. I'm talking too much. Well, we've had it with this so long. This is not Mopar. Don't blame this on Mopar. I don't know who the hell this is. He keep going on eBay getting his garbage. That's not, hey man, look, hey, I get it, guys. Mopar is a little bit more expensive. I get it. I just be talking a lot of smack, okay? But finances is finances. Finance, you know, it is what it is. That's going to always affect your final outcome decision. Am I done with this? Yeah, I'm done with this box. Okay, I'm put the Coolant. He back with the oil, so we about to change the oil, and that'll wrap this up, guys. I want to know who the hell. All right, I couldn't get it off. Anyway, it just says aluminum engine oil filter housing. Okay, made by Top 10 Racing. All right, so I don't want to dog them out. They may be a potential sponsor at some point. I got nothing to say, nothing bad to say about y'all Top 10 Racing. I'll put y'all Coolant. All right, we're gonna see how it go. I'm sure I'll hear back from them if we see any kind of leaks or anything like that. Guys, I gotta wrap this up. I've been talking too long. Y'all know I hate these long videos. The rest is easy, guys. Clean up a little bit more, get these seals transferred, put the top end back on, change the oil, and then I'm done. All right, how about that? I'll see y'all. This may air tonight, I'm not sure, but a live stream, we live stream on Sunday, so today is Sunday, so I'll see y'all tonight. I don't know if this video gonna make it before the live stream, but I'll see y'all tonight. Stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all just don't know, man. I appreciate y'all watching these damn videos. I'm out. Gotta go.